not grab Dada's hair. Do not, do not grab Dada's hair. Do not grab Dada's hair. If you grab Dada's hair, I will tickle you, ha. Pero mabagtaw-tawar ako kay gamay pa kay dito pagdako na isa ko. Pagdako na isa ko, buliman yun ko ano. This is my favorite game of Kyle. You put Dada downstairs, Kyle. Okay. Ready, set, go! You put Dada downstairs. Again, you put Dada downstairs.
1, 2, 3.
Start!
Ready, take, go!
Ang kamot ni Chow. La. Gusto niya sabihin. Ala. This is my favorite game of the month. Napatindog ko niya. Oh, Dada Pelman here. Galing ka, ba't yung anak ko? You want to play a game, Kyle? You want to play a game? The game is you wake up Dada, ha? Okay, ha? So you count there, you like this. 1, 2, yeah. You wake up Dada, ha? That's the game, ha?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
May gunto to yung
Mama.
You wake up Dada.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wake up, Dada. Wake up, Dada. Wake up. Dada, wake up. Dada, wake up. Dada, wake up. Dada, wake up.
Ano ba?
Dada, wake up. Dada, wake up.
Dada is still asleep. You must bring Dada down to the floor. You okay, Kael?
Yeah.
You bring Dada onto the floor. How will you bring Dada to the floor, Kael?
Do not pull. Push, Dada, push. You cannot pull Dada because Dada is heavy.
You push Dada, you push. You push Dada going there, oh. You push Dada going there, okay.
It took me, Mama.
Okay, excuse me.
Hobby.
Kabalo siya.
Kanawa niya yung master of kanang physics. there, Kyle. You push Dada. You push Dada. Almost there. Almost there, bro. Dada's falling. Yay! Dada's falling. Dada's awake. Yay! Dada is now awake. Very good. You want another? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No. No.
This time is harder because Dada will tickle us. Every time you turn Dada, Dada will tickle you. Oh no, the big Dada is awake. He will go back again. No more. Ang ibubuyan mo. Oh, one leg is falling down. One more leg. Go, 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 go. One more leg. One more leg. One more leg. One more leg. Yeah, leg is down. Only left is Dada's. Dada's head. Yay, Dada's awake. Yay. Yay.
Let's do it
Victory
again.
start. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Ha?
Kael yan.
Kailangan sa mga pakusog-kusog. Normal sa lalaki. Ah, Kael? Kael?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kael's turn.
Kael's turn na. Dada's turn na.
No. Tupaw mama and kael. Tupaw mama and kael.
Okay, you let them do that. I will.
Ayan, tupaw mama and kael.
Supaw, mama, and Kael.
No, not together because Mama and Dada Mama and Kael will yaya. Only one time, one at a time. You go there. Sila.
No, mama and
Okay.
kael. Mama and kael.
Oh, Kael
tupaw.
first. Kael first.
Kael first. Kael first.
No, mama. Mama put before kael. Mama put.
Mama, supaw daw.
You down, mama.
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera lang.
Hulog na, Bing.
Mama, you down.
Dari. Oh, sige, lay down ito first. I will set up the camera.
Mama, you don't give put. Mama, will you don't put before kael.
Mm.
Ha, okay?
Okay.
Mama, will you don't? You don't, mama.
They cannot Superman Mama like this.
No, ba? No, tupaw mama.
Ay, Super Mama. Oh, baby. Dada is good at making Superman. Baby. You get this one. You get this one. You pull this one. Pull this one. Pull this one. Look at Mama there. No. You put. Go to the side. Yeah, you pull this one. Pull everything. Pull everything. And then you pull this one. Pull, Mama. Pull. And pull this one. Pull. And then you push, Mama. Go there. Back. Go back. And, you push, Mama. Yay! That Kael made Mama Supaw. Chupa mama.
How about super tail?
I like that. I like that. You go there, mama. You already done chupaw. You already done chupaw.
Yeah, already done super.
Kyle, this is very special chupaw. I will do Kyle chupaw, be.
Help me,
Help me, Dada.
Hmm.
help me, help me, Dada. Help me.
No, I wake you chupaw, then you sleep with mama together.
Because it open.
Wait, the chupaw open, Kyle. Your chupaw open. You close the chupaw. Okay, it's time for Kyle. You lay down properly. You lay down, do not move, ha?
Yeah,
You sure you want to be chupaw?
yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, you do not move. You do not move. Dada will do the chupaw, okay?
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Oh, do not move, do not move. Dada is the chupaw maker, man. Up, roll, and there you have two chupaw together.
Hello, baby Chupaw. Hello. Hello, baby Chupaw.
What can you say, baby chupaw?
Thank you, Dada.
Yeah, I am a good making a chupaw. No, you are Kael Shumay.